In this video, you'll learn how to change the background color in Notion. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to modify the appearance of your blocks effectively. Begin by navigating to Notion in your web browser. Once the page loads, log into your credentials. After logging in, locate the specific page you wish to customize. It is important to select a block to modify as background colors apply per block. This action prepares you for the styling process. Next, look for the block you wish to change. Click on the block to reveal the formatting options. You will notice a small toolbar appear above the block. From this toolbar, find and click on the option that resembles a paint bucket or background color selector. This will open a color palette where you can choose your desired background color. After selecting a background color, the change will automatically apply to the block. Take a moment to review the visual appearance of your selection. Ensure that the new color aligns with your design preferences and enhances the overall look of your page. Once you've applied the background color, it is crucial to review the entire page design. Check for consistency across all sections and avoid using excessive colors that may distract from the content. Maintaining readability is essential, as too many colors can make it difficult for viewers to focus on your text. Notion saves changes automatically, so you do not need to manually save your modifications. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.